So recall that a line can be represented in the form y equals mx plus b. So the line of best fit can be represented by a linear equation where the values of m and b can be determined from the scatter plot. So thinking back, what does m represent in this equation, y equals mx plus b?
Slope.
M is the slope. What is the slope? Somebody tell me what the definition of a slope is?
How much it goes up by and goes right over.
Right, so it's rise over run, and it tells us the steepness of the line. And again, we said that you need a point and the slope and the y-intercept to make your equation. What does B represent in this? Yeah,
Y-intercept.
the y-intercept. Can anyone tell me what is the y-intercept? Yeah.
Where the line intersects on the y-axis.
Yep, the y value that crosses the y-axis. So m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. So this says that the table below gives the percent of adults, Y%, that get their news from newspapers compared to television or online sites for 8 years since 1990. This is our table of values, and again, it's talking about our graph increments, labels, and to draw the line of best fit and to write its equation. So here you're given the line of best fit, and the scatter plot are about half the lines above and, or about half the points above and below the line. Yeah, okay. So we are given the correct line of best fit. Now we're going to look at, okay, the steps that we did to find this line of best fit. So first we find the slope of the line of best fit that passes through the points 464 and 1458. Okay? And that gave us a slope of negative 0.6. Then you'll find the y-intercept using the equation in slope-intercept form. So again, slope-intercept form being y equals mx plus b. We substitute for m, x, and y. Multiply, add to both sides, simplify. So finally, you'll write the equation in, again, the slope-intercept form. Here, we said our slope was negative 0.6, and that our y-intercept was 66.4. So our equation of the line is negative 0.6x plus 66.4. Oh, and just a note too, it does say you can pick any 2 points on the line of best fit to calculate the value of m. Only use data values if they happen to lie on the line. So that's important to note, that when you're finding the slope of the line of best fit, those 2 points that you use for rise over run have to be on that line. Use the line of best fit to interpret the meaning of the slope and the y-intercept in context. So this tells us that the slope represents the decreasing percent of adults that acquire their news from newspapers. More specifically, that the data show an average decrease by 0.6% per year. So if we think back, we said that our equation of the line was negative 0.6x plus 66.4. So when it says that it decreased by 0.6% per year, where are we getting that 0.6? Where in our equation? What does it represent? Yes, the slope, correct. Then it says that the intercept, B, the y-intercept, represents the percent of adults that get their news from newspapers. At the beginning of the study in 1990, specifically the data show that about 66.4% of adults get their news from newspapers in 1990. So, again, looking at our equation, what does this 66.4% represent? Yes.
Y-intercept.
A y-intercept, correct.